Welcome back. We are going to look at perspectives in the management console. And for this video I will just quickly jump into my actual NetXMS server to show you a few things, and then we will again continue with our current NetXMS installation in the next video. The NetXMS management console has a perspective feature which can confuse new users, so we are going to talk about it a little bit. You can see up here a list of current perspectives in the upper right corner. Currently we are in the management perspective. But we can switch into the dashboard perspective or the reports perspective, which will give me an error since I don't have the reports module currently installed. Let's go back into management perspective, and you can see I have a few tabs open here, like this chart of my internet connection speed and latency. But what happens if I close any of these default tabs, or if I close everything? In the view menu you can open any of the default tabs. And you can even move any of these tabs into a new tab group, like this. And then I can move and resize however I see fit. But what happens when you've done this a bunch of times and you now have a completely different layout from what NetXMS was before you started? Because you will notice that if I open a different graph now, it could actually open somewhere totally unexpected. This is where the reset perspective becomes very useful. You can click on any perspective in the top right corner and simply reset that perspective back to default. And you can see that will fix any issues or any modifications that I did to the perspective, and all the graphs will now open properly, as you would expect them by default. So if there is something wrong with your perspective or your windows are not opening as you would expect them, simply reset the perspective to default and you should be set. You can also create custom perspectives, but that is also a topic for an advanced video. And that is everything you should know about perspectives for now.